Now you see, that's what happened. It didn't end well, did it? Oh well, it's time for our activity. Hi boys and girls! For today's activity, we are going to do an experiment. For this experiment, we will be identifying and compare the suitability of everyday materials. Now remember, when conducting an experiment, the outcome will not always turn out what we are expecting. And that's why we call it experiment, testing, finding out. Now for this experiment, here's what we're going to need. You will need different types of paper and cards. A bowl of water for testing the boats, little toys such as teddies or Legos. First, think about a boat. What are the properties of a boat? Which of the materials will make the best boat? Then, choose your materials. Which of the materials will make the best boat? Now to start this experiment, we first need to make a boat. Get a piece of paper. This you will have to do with all the different papers that you have. I have here plain white paper, crepe paper, and a cardboard. Now you can always choose your own different types of papers. So, to make a boat, first fold the paper in half. This. Okay. Now fold the paper in. Fold along the bottom on both sides. Turn it around. It'll look like a hat. So pull the sides out and flatten. To make a diamond or a square. Now this is a diamond shape. Fold it up. Do the same thing on the other side. Hold it. Hold it like this. Now you have a triangle. Open the bottom, pull the sides out. Now, pull apart the sides and shape the boat. Pull sides and shape it. There we go. Now I have a boat. Now do the same thing with your other papers or materials. Right, now I have my boats made out of 3 different materials. A plain white paper, a cardboard, and a crepe paper. Here's what I predict. I think that the boat made out of cardboard will hold more objects than the other 2 boats that are made out of plain paper and crepe paper. I'm going to place my first boat in a bowl of water. We need to find out how many objects will it hold until it sinks. "12 teddies." Now let's try the other boat. This boat that is made out of cardboard. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, look at that. 5 teddies before it sank. Now let's try the last one. The boat made out of crepe paper. 1, 2. Oh no! 2 teddies. Now it's time for you to make your own experiment. Observe, and record what you found out. I'll see you next time.